Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to change your Boost mobile phone number in 2025. Whether you're switching for privacy reasons, moving to a new area, or just wanting a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Boost Mobile has updated their system to be more user-friendly, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Boost Mobile app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. You'll need to be logged into your account, so if you haven't already, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. This ensures everything is secure and personalized to you. Step 1. Open the app and head to the Account or Profile section. It's usually found in the main menu. Look for the icon that looks like a person or gear. Step 2. Once you're in your profile, scroll down to find Phone Number Management or something similar. Boost Mobile might have renamed it in 2025, but it's all about managing your contact details. Step 3. Tap on Change Number. You'll be prompted to enter your new desired number or opt for a random one generated by the system. Double-check for availability to avoid any issues. Step 4. Verify your identity. This is a quick step where Boost Mobile sends a code to your current number or email. Enter it to confirm it's really you. Step 5. Review and confirm the changes. You'll see a summary of your new number, and once you hit confirm, it should activate almost instantly. Keep in mind, there might be a small fee depending on your plan, so check that beforehand. One quick tip. After changing your number, don't forget to update it with your bank, social media, and any other services to avoid missing important messages. And that's it, you're all set. If you run into any snags, Boost Mobile's customer support is just a chat away. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.